Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have VIVO Y28 and I want to show you how to add event to your calendar on this device. Starts of opening calendar application. In it, tap on day when we want to add our event. We change for a view month and tap on maybe 22. There is plus icon and event. First step, we can add title of our event. In this part we can add this event about what is it about, group of our events, family or something like that. That we can set when event starts, in which time and finish. Or we can set it will be all the event by switch on. Repeat of that if we need it, maybe every month, or not repeat, what you prefer. There we can add this event to people calendar. We can make video conference when event starts, add location of that, and notification. We can add more than one notification and we can make custom if we want. We can change color about our notification to this event. We can add description and attachment. After you set all you need, press save. You mustn't add everything, and we have it in our calendar right now. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!